Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8691 microprocessor and microcontroller, Unit 1, microcontrollers A051. Already, we are going to discuss the architecture of A051 and the instruction set of A051 and the special function register of microcontroller A051. Here, the addressing mode of A051. Now, what are the addressing mode of A051? It is a different types of addressing mode. Number 1 is a register addressing mode. Number 2, direct addressing mode. Number 3, register indirect addressing mode. Number 4, immediate addressing mode. Number 5, indexed addressing mode. Now, we see the first immediate addressing mode. All addressing mode which use for internal RAM, that is a 128 byte memory. For example, the move the source data to destination. Each destination and source data is a 8-bit data. That is our 8051 microcontroller is a 8-bit microcontroller. Now the source is a number of data numbers or data in integer numbers or data. The destination is a register. That is to store the executed operation of the data. Now the move the immediate number of source data to move to the destination. For example, the 24H is a data in our data to immediately to move to the accumulator. That is immediately to move and store the accumulator. After the execution of instruction, the accumulator is indicated the 24H is inbuilt of the memory location. Next one is 52H. 52H is stored to the R0 move. After the execution of instruction, R0, R7 is a register bank. That is a register bank of R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7. These are the register bank. Now the numbers of data immediately to move to this register bank R0 to R7, any other register. And then 8H is immediately moved to the particular R7 register. So the data 8H data is particularly to store the R7 registers. Now the 2415H is a data to move to the data pointer. In these conditions, the 24 is a higher byte level and the 15H is a lower data. So the 24 is stored in the data pointer high and the 15H is stored in the data pointer lower. And also 0AHF, this is a data whenever we have to starting address, so starting the data values in the hexadecimal point A, that is whenever the data start from character, insert the value of 0. So in case the character is started in the first letter, we assume or we put the 0 condition in our data. So the data of 0A5H is immediately move to the R1 register. R1 register is a register bank of the memory location. Thank you for watching this video. Now the second addressing mode is a register addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the data is moved to the register to copy or store the memory locations. For example, we see the AR0 is a register bank. There is a R0 register. R0 register is a inbuilt data of 8-bit data. That is any other data. So the R register bank address is completely moved to the A register. That is the accumulator register. Now before the execution, A is equal to 25H is on our data. That is R0 is 46H is a data. After the execution, the 46H is data is moved to the accumulator. So the accumulator is contain the 46H data, and also the move A, that is accumulated data, is moved to the R7 registers. After the execution, the R0 is a 5H to move to the accumulator. Completely to move to the accumulator is a 46H. Now the second direct addressing mode. In the direct addressing mode, the source data is directly moved to the destination. That is a direct addressing mode. So the destination point is the address location and the source is the address location. For example, address of the data is moved to the accumulator directly, and the 80H is a port 0 address is a data is moved to the A register, that is a accumulator register. And then second conditions, the A register, that is a accumulator register of data, to completely directly to move to the address of the location, any other address. For example, A register to move to the 8H. So 8H data is assigned there any other register in our memory location. Now the third condition of address to address 1. So the address 2 data are moved to the address 1. The address 1 is completely directly to the copy of memory location in the register. And then finally the numbers, that is a 0 or 1s, any other binary values or decimal values or hexadecimal values, completely directly to move to the address location 1. So the address location 1 is a B register or accumulator or C register or any other here. So the numbers of directly move to the data to the address location 1. So here the example of 2H is a directly move to the 80H. This is an addressing mode of direct addressing mode of 8051. Now the indirect addressing mode. Indirect addressing mode is a external RAM memory. The memory location pointed in the register and read the data which is stored in the accumulator. So the R0 and R1 is the address of RAM. For example, the 09H is a memory location of N1 and memory address location. It is a 09H is a data is a address memory location is a N1. So the 09H is indirectly moved to the R0 register. There is a R0 register is a register bank of R0 port. Now the R0 port is indirectly moved to the accumulator register. So these are the simple example of indirect addressing mode of 8051. Now we see the register indirect addressing mode. A register is used as a pointer to data. If the data is inside the CPU, only the register R0 and R1 are used for this purpose. R2 and R7 cannot be used to hold the address of an operand location in RAM. When using indirect addressing mode, when R0 and R1 are used as a pointer, they must be proceeded by the sign at the sign. And finally, the indexed addressing mode. The indexed addressing mode is a widely used in accessing data elements of lookup tables, entities, location in the program room space of 8051. The instruction used for this purpose is move CA at A plus DPTR. The 16-bit register DPTR and register A are used to form the address of the data element stored in on-chip ROM. Because the data's elements are stored in the program, that is a code memory space ROM of 8051, the instruction move C is used to, instead of move, the C means code. In this instruction, the content of A are added to the 16-bit register DPTR to form the 16-bit address of the needed data. So in this lecture, we can study the different addressing mode of 8051. Thank you for watching this video.